About 50. See, I'm not getting any traction. Too narrow right here. Man, those things go fast. Oh! Missed the curb, thank goodness.
That run was 3.05, guys. I'm getting that pretty consistently with this thing stock, with the 69 Nova body. There we go, guys. 3.010 that time. You're gonna smack into that fucking curb.
Turn on. Yep. Oh, it just popped off. I'm surprised it got back here. See, I want you to move your truck. Your truck's freaking me out, I think, is my problem.
Why hit it?
Huh?
Hit it. It's got insurance.
See,
ooh,
I'm not shutting
better
down
time.
because I don't know where to shut down, and that's the. I had a 2.9 at 49, and I let off early. A little past the truck, yeah. Maybe we should be going back to the curb, maybe, to your truck. Look at the man, look at the tires.
Yeah.
That's half the problem with the launch.
Another 3.0, guys. Another 3.0.
Thank you. I think those are the people that. Yeah, that was a good run. What are you getting, about three?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm doing a pretty consistent 2.8, 2.9s when it's going straight. And I got my launch set pretty. My launch is set pretty low.
Oh, there we go, guys. Getting pretty consistent runs. We're gonna grab the drag slash.